Hello students, this is Avichal Jain and I welcome you all on behalf of Prep Genius Academy. As you know, I have been teaching you SAT maths questions and telling you the techniques to solve them within 1 minute of time. So let's start with today's question. The question is on your screen now. So in this given question, they have been provided us with the range of minus 2t plus 1. So minus 2t plus 1 is greater than minus 3 over 5 and it is less than minus 3 over 7. And we have to tell them the value of one possible value of 60. So in order to find the possible value of 60, first of all, we try to find the value of t, right? So first we have to convert this inequality. Minus 3 over 5 is less than minus 2t plus 1. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to convert this minus 2t plus 1 into t using some operations. So first of all, I'm going to subtract 1 from this entire inequality. Okay, so this would become what? Minus 3 over 5. So I'm going to subtract 1 from the entire inequality. So this becomes minus 2t plus 1 minus 1, and this would be minus 3 over 7 minus 1. So minus 1 and plus 1 cancelled out, and we get here minus 8 over 5, which is less than minus 2t, which is less than minus 3 minus 7, that is minus 10 over 7. The next step is we have to convert this minus 2t into t. So I'm going to divide the entire inequality by minus 2. And always remember, whenever you multiply or divide your inequality with a negative value, the sign of the inequality gets reversed. So if you divide this by minus 2, so this would become 4 over 5. And always remember, whenever you divide the inequality with a negative value, sign of this inequality will get reversed. So instead of less than, it will become greater than. If you divide minus 2t by minus 2, it would become t. Again, this sign will get reversed, and this minus 10 by 7 will become 5 by 7 if you divide it by minus 2, right? So you got the range of t, and t is greater than 5 over 7 and it is less than 4 over 5, right? Now because you have to find the value of 60, so let's multiply the entire inequality by 6. So this becomes what? 6 5s are 30, so it would become 30 over 7. This t would become 60, and this 4 over 5 would become 6 4 the 24, 24 over 5. So what is the range of 60 you are getting? 60 is your greater than 30 over 7. So 30 over 7 is nothing but, if you cancel out, so 7 4s are 28, you left with 2, right? And you can say 7 2s are 14, right? Again the remainder is 6, and you can say 7 7s are 49. So what you are going to get? You're going to get 4.27. I'm doing it again. 7 4s are 28, remainder is 2, 7 2s are 14, remainder is 6. So if remainder is 6, you can use 7 8s are 56. So it's 4.28. So I'm writing 4.28 here, 4.28, which is less than 60, and 60 is less than 24 over 5, which is nothing but 5 4s are 20 and 5 8s are 40, which is less than 4.8. So what is the range of 60? 60 lies between 4.28 and 4.8. So you can use 60 is equal to 4.5, because we can choose any value in between this. So what is one possible value of 60? One possible value of 60 is 4.5. This is a gradient question, so you have to enter your answer as 4.5. For more such questions and techniques, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.